Hey people, well, just recently got me another fan. This is another 10-inch Lakewood circulator fan. This one being under the Windsor badge, which is what Kmart, which is the brand that Kmart sold their fans under on and before 1971. This one's from the 60s sometime, like that C122 that I have. Unlike all the other fans I have like this which have a plastic front cage, this one has a metal front cage. I want to have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. Excuse the clock. As you can see, the cabinet has its fair share of rust spots. Minor rust, or whatever. Look at the other side. And the back. The back cage has a little bit of rust on it too, especially right here. But the inside of the case is the big story. I mean, it's like pretty much rusted all around. Or at least the back section of it is anyway. Not all that much of a big deal to me. Oh, here's the motor. Like the Kmart brand one I have from '73, this one has a Redmond motor. It's probably a slightly different version than the one that's in the '73 Kmart one. Turn this back around. While the case has a good bit of rust, the front guard, however, is pretty much nearly perfect. I mean, there's hardly any rust on there. If there is, it's pretty much minimal. Like right here, for say. For the most part, the chrome is pretty shiny. And there's the Windsor badge. It's a little scuffed, but not bad. And this thing kind of has a vibration too when it runs. Which is why I have it sitting on top of these magazines, as you can see here. When I have it on this counter without it being under these, thing kind of moves around a bit. So here it is running like pretty much all these. It only has the one speed. So without further ado, here's on. As you can hear, the motor does have a bit of vibration to it. It would be the blade might be out of balance. But other than that, it's pretty quiet runner as long as I have something sitting underneath. And in the words of Toy the Fan Man, no medium, no low, so off we go. And it also has pretty decent coast down time too. And there you have it. It's my 1960's Windsor, made by Lakewood, a model K-10, 10-inch pivoting circulator table fan. Thank you for watching.